Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. This is a hints for new posters to YouTube video. I forget which number it is. It's July 5th, 2023. That's the date of it. When you are recording, right, look in your camera. Don't look over here at the monitor. Look here at the camera. Hi. If you have trouble zoning in on the camera, put a bird on it. Now, look at the birdie. Put a bird on it. Put a sign saying, "Look here, stupid." The reason I record this is the other day I was watching another YouTuber's video. He's an established tuber, so it's pointless. Can't save him. But he was looking over here to see how pretty he looked in the monitor when he should have been talking to the audience. Let them see the magnificence of his physiognomy in its full glory. No, seriously. If you're going to have your face on camera, look at the camera, except in the situations where it's recording what you're doing and your face just happens to get in the way. That's when you say, "Oh, well, excuse my head. I had to see what I'm doing." You know? I'm not going to say mug the camera. Mugging the camera is ham acting. Good night in California.